Alright guys, well I'm back in Jamaica and on my first trip already. What happened at my office with my team here where I work in Jamaica, and this is our team event. So that's my teammates and we're going to have a fun day at team building. Which part is? Chaka? Chaka what? What do you call it? Good Hope. Alright, we're coming. I'm all banded up. Put my stuff in the locker and we're ready to go. So it's a big group going over to do the ATV. Pretty excited. Yeah.
Okay, let's go again.
Awesome sauce!
Awesome. We stop for a little break in the middle of the orchard. Daniel, what do you think so far?
Yo. Yeah man, the ATV was really great. Yeah man.
Probably orange.
Grapefruit and tangerine.
Sour.
That's why.
Is it sour?
But it's nice though, it's refreshing.
Actually, this one is
A little sour, but it's refreshing. Here we go again. We finished the quadded, we finished the Dune Buggy, I mean, and it was boss as you can see, you know, nice terrain. It's the first time I do the Dune Buggy. Usually I do all the quad and whatnot. This one was real good, so yeah, had a blast. Now we're heading back to see what's the next thing we're gonna do. Alright, so we just found out we're going to do river tubing, so we're going to get wet, so I have to change up and put away this camera. Alright, so yeah, we're here in the river. See, we're tied up all together, going down. Should be pretty cool. Woo! Alright, we just did the tubing. That's the truck. We're heading back. Here on the poolside, we're gonna get something to eat. So yeah, lunchtime. They have this kind of it's not a real waterfall, a built waterfall. Yeah, man-made waterfall, and a nice river with different pools and different levels as you go up. It's really nice. So we're climbing up and we're gonna slide down. Yeah, there's a water slide, so that's what I mean by we're going to slide down. Up and we're going to do the zipline here and go to home. finished the zipline and we're back, and the guys are up doing the obstacle course. I did this already, so you know, I'll just do some video of them getting through it. Yeah, we do the obstacle course, and now we're going to go up to the Great House and take a tour. That's the Great House behind us, and we're going to do a tour soon. But take a look at the view. You get a really nice view of the estate from here. You know, the Great House is on top of a hill, so you can see a lot of the estate behind us. Alright, so we came back from the tour. Unfortunately my battery died, but hey, don't worry about it. We're going to go to the Great House, the Rose Hall Great House on the night tour, and then we'll continue home. We're here up by the Rose Hall house. Of course it's very dark, so I can't see nothing. The house is in the back there. No camera is allowed, because the door you see in the tour, you know, there's a few surprises and whatnot. So I'll sign off there for the night. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, like. I'll see you guys in the next one.